Hey there. Did you know whooping cough cases are skyrocketing in Ireland? It's true, and it's super important, especially if you're expecting or have little ones. In 2024, we saw over 539 confirmed cases, and it's still on the rise. But don't worry, I've got some crucial info for you. If you're pregnant, you can get a free vaccine between 16 and 36 weeks. This isn't just for you. It's like giving your baby a superhero shield before they're even born. The antibodies you create will protect your newborn until they're old enough for their own shots. Remember, prevention is key. So if you're expecting or know someone who is, spread the word. Let's keep our tiniest citizens safe and sound. Stay healthy, everyone.